Hi, good evening. So, if you remember, someday back, I promised one more section which I haven't discussed until now, and that section is system design. So, what I feel that how I can go forward with system design video stream. So, in my understanding, system design is very vast field, and whatever you will learn every day, you will feel that your knowledge is challenged with new system because constantly changing. System design is not fixed. If you remember, I earlier told you that design and architecture, or system design and architecture, precisely, is the one area which can't be directly whose solution can't be generated from any AI engine. Uh, Fortunately, why it is happening so? Why I'm saying so? That it is very fundamentally this system design inside the system design. Fundamentally, nothing is right and nothing is wrong. Now, why I'm saying so? Saying this because if you have experience in system design, you will see that no solution is perfect for all the context. System design is always a solution for particular context, contextual requirement. If you tweak smartly even bit of requirement or constraint or context, your solution is not enough for that requirement now. So that's why there is no standard spec, there is no standard template of system design approach. You have to understand the all constraints. Dynamically, you have to evaluate it also. For example, I'm just giving one example. Suppose you have planned database size of some X terabyte or megabyte, whatever you call. Now, suddenly, your system is overwhelmed with spikes of loads and like content, and now you need almost 1,000 times of that initial storage. Now, imagine the situation, how your system will react in this case. Are your solution, are your system design able to handle which earlier you proposed? I bet it is not. So dynamically now, in this scenario, if this kind of dynamic requirement appears, your system need to dynamically scale up. And those scaling kind of attribute is part of system design, yes, of course. But at what level? What would be the maximum limit? What would be the minimum limit? What are the other factors will change? So for example, just imagine your system, your design has you have to design your system robust. Just as an example, I'm saying that you have to design your system very robust. Now, until the point your system is present in one region, it has, in that scenario, you need X solution. If your system move to or expand to multiple region, now in that case, your earlier solution is not sufficient. Now you have to think new solution. You have to give new solution for multiple region kind of scenario where robustness is required. So see, like system is not changing much. What exactly changing is the dynamic things. Like for example, earlier you have only customer in Asia, and maybe next month you start getting customer from Europe, maybe US, maybe Australia, or of course Asia is already there. So now your requirement is spread across the region. The same solution which you earlier proposed or implemented probably not enough now to handle these kind of multiple region spread. So this is the reason behind I have told you earlier that system design is very, very contextual. It has a solution. There is no one bullet for all the problem. There is no one bullet. And that's why it is very difficult to train some model based on such a dynamic requirement. So be ready to get dirty hands in system design and architecture to improve yourself as well as make your mark tomorrow and in the future many years. So my only suggestion to all of us that please focus on system design, learning the design and architecture, learning the intuitive logical building of your problem solution approach. So these things you should build every day so that your brain start thinking in that direction. If your brain is habitual with these kind of problem solution, nobody can replace you, not even the AI engine. So let's start the system design concept understanding first, like build first foundation, and then we will go again the different standard system, around 20 to 25 system I will discuss, and those systems are more than sufficient to handle any new system design problem in your interview or any like in your company, in your organization, in your day-to-day work. So anywhere you can apply those kind of concept in your organization that will create value for you. So by that note, one more thing I have to mention that right now I'm focusing on using this book which is called System Design Interview. It is written by Mr. Alex Zhu. He's my LinkedIn friend also. So, and I will try to cover this complete book chapter by chapter. And I will first give the summary about the author's representation, like how author has thought about writing this chapter, what they thought, why they thought, those things, my understanding I will present. And then after that, I will also try to cover some additional value, if possible from my side. Then I will add some additional value in that chapter also. And I will try to cover one chapter every week. So this is the way we should do. Around in this book, I have around how many chapters? Around 16 chapter I'm seeing. So these 16 chapters I will try to cover maybe within 16 weeks, and then after that I will pick the another book which is written by him only. And once I finish these two books, after that I will around cover the 25 system design, standard system design, so that you have enough things in your toolkit to solve any new challenge you will get in system design in your organization. Okay, I'm wrapping my video today here only. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a good night. Thank you.